What's up, guys? Today we are opening a Paradox Rift Pokemon pack. Yes, sir! Today we are looking for the one and only Groudon Full Art. It goes for $68 ungraded and $304 PSA 10.
Epic.
If we hit that, we'll be super rich. So, here is our first card of Paradox Rift, a basic water energy, an Onyx, a Flittle, a Nickit, a Nastly, a Techno Radar, a Counter Catcher, a Masquerain, Reverse Hollow Wiglet, Reverse Hollow Gabite, and a Hollow Ag Slash. So now it is time for Dad to open his journey together.